Go ahead and show everybody my shoes. I'll show you my shoes. There's my shoes. Helps me walk on the rocks a little bit better. Sage is like, no, she doesn't want to go in the caves.
Oh, hey, girlfriend.
Cave is cool.
Point down at the water.
Oh, look. You see the water goes in the cave. There's a big crab over there. And then there's another cave over there.
Right?
Yep.
Touch it.
Nope. It's dangerous to touch those. You don't want to touch those.
What about this one? No.